Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. AI is a fascinating field that's changing the way we live and work. In this video, we'll cover the basics of AI that every beginner must know. So, what is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and perception. There are several types of AI, including narrow or weak AI, designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition or language translation. General or strong AI, which can perform any intellectual task that a human can, such as reasoning, problem-solving, and learning. And superintelligence, which is significantly more intelligent than humans, with capabilities that surpass human intelligence. Machine learning is a key aspect of AI. It involves training algorithms on data to enable them to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. There are three types of machine learning. First, we have supervised learning. The algorithm is trained on labeled data to learn the relationship between input and output. Next, there's unsupervised learning. The algorithm is trained on unlabeled data to discover patterns and relationships. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment. Neural networks are a fundamental component of AI. They're modeled after the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. Neural networks can learn complex patterns in data and are used in applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves the use of neural networks with multiple layers. Deep learning algorithms can learn complex patterns in data and are used in applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. That's it for this video on the rudiments of AI. We've covered the basics of AI, including types of AI, machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and we hope this video has provided a solid foundation for further learning. Outro music starts playing, and the animation ends with a call to action, such as a link to a website or a social media handle.